Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany, Olivia. First, let's start off with you guys commenting and subscribing and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. If you saw my last video, do you know I did an unboxing on luvmehair. I bought this hair. So in today's video, we're going to be putting her on and seeing what she looks like, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have on the wig, you guys. The details of this wig are going to be in the description box. And again, this is 18 inches. As you can see, it has the two blonde strips in the front and then it's blonde on the ends. So far I really like it. I'm used to curly hair, so we're gonna see. And I don't like middle parts. I don't like the middle part at all, but I'm gonna give it a try and then I'm gonna switch to the side part. I think my forehead is too big to wear a middle part. Like I don't really like the middle part on me. But we're gonna see. Let's brush her out. Yes. Y'all, the hair is so soft. Hair is really soft. The ends could use a little bit of moisture, as you can see. Other than that, the hair is really good. So you guys, what I'm going to do, I'm not gonna actually part it yet, but I want to see. But that, yeah, I like the side part better. It's more my groove. Except I'm not gonna turn it, I'm also gonna part it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the lace and I'm gonna come back with you guys and we're gonna see how she looks when I am all done. Y'all, this hair is so soft. I can't stop rushing it. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with the finished look. At first, when I put the wig on, I didn't like it because I normally do not like black hair on me at all. But this morning I put it on and I fell in love with it, you guys. Also, this is my parting. This is my parting area, you guys. I just plucked it. I didn't bleach no knots or anything. So far, I absolutely love this wig. It does shed just a little bit, but it's not a lot of shedding at all. But I really love this wig. I didn't really secure it down. I just put some got to be glued spray on this side. Normally I would do the stocking cap method and then go back with my bold hole, but since I'm quarantined, there's no point of having a wig glued to my head. So with their wax stick, it came in handy. Basically with the wax stick, I just went around my part like this, and then I went back over it with my curling iron to flatten it. So this wax stick comes in handy, you guys. And if you've seen my last video, I said the ends were kind of dry, but that's understandable knowing that it was bleach. So to fix that, I took some cheat oil. You only need a dime size for your whole entire hair. And I just put that. That's a little bit too much. Yeah. Let's put a dime size. And I start from the top and then I work it into the ends. And then that alone fixed the ends. It was just that simple, you guys. Put the top on this. This cheat oil. It's awesome, you guys. It just has moringa and macadamia oil in it. I absolutely love it. My sister gave me this. Wig is everything. I'm still have to get used to it because I'm used to big curly hair, which kind of covers up my face. So being that I don't have this that big curly hair in it. It makes my head look big with this, you know, not so poofy hair. But so far I really love it, you guys. And you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit my notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. So let me show you guys the back of the hair. And that's 18 inches, 180 density. The wig was very easy to apply. Basically, I just threw it on my head. It already had the little elastic band inside, so that made it very simple. I do not use the combs, so they're just sitting in there, you guys. Once again, all I did was pluck my part, put some concealer and powder in there. That was it. I always like a curved part, so that's how I did that. I was skeptical at first because I didn't think it was gonna look right because I wanted a side part. Earlier in my last video, I shifted the wig. They had it in the middle part and I shifted the wig, and it was still the same length on both sides. I just didn't want the lace all the way over here on my ear, so I went ahead and decided to go ahead and make my own part. But I did want the blonde streaks on both sides, but I'm okay with just this little blonde streak in front. If you do the middle part, it will have blonde streaks on both sides. Just think my forehead's too big for middle part, so I always like a side part. But you guys, I suggest you to go get this wig. All the details on this wig will be in the description box, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.